Welcome to day 6 of the 10-day springtime juice cleanse, fruit cleanse, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, today I wanted to take you around the property just to show you what I've got growing here. All right, here we go. This right here, really sweet, delicious. These are champagne mangoes. They come from Mexico. And it looks like we're going to get them early this year. You can see they're already changing color. Maybe see it's just loaded with mangoes. Here's one that looks, yeah, it's amazing. It comes right off. And it's soft. I have a feeling, I'll tell you how it is tomorrow, but I have a feeling it's not real sweet. It's probably like a tart mango. Now this here is Myers lemon tree. These are Myers lemons. Great for lemon juice in the morning. And it's loaded. This tree is loaded with Myers lemons. Over here, this is an avocado tree. I haven't had a lot of avocados from this tree. Irma did some serious damage. Hurricane Irma did some serious damage to it. That's why I have it staked up here. But hopefully that'll change. This is a mini mango tree, which hasn't produced much either. Okay, so now we'll take a walk out to the back of the property, show you what I've got going back there. Over here, I've got a couple of fig trees. And one of these has quite a few figs on it. This one here, I think, is starting to get some figs. Yeah. These are Black Mission figs. Man, they're delicious. And then I got one over here. This one looks a little sad, but hopefully it'll make a comeback. These here are called frangipanis. Amazing flowers, beautiful. And they smell nice too. Some more. And that's pretty intense. The Creator is the best artist of them all. Okay, so we'll head towards the back. These two little trees here, I planted these a while back. This is called guanabana, or sugar apple. Really nice fruit, very sweet. Planted this young cypress tree here not too long ago. These cypress trees are gorgeous. That's an oak tree back there. Another oak tree here. Now this here is a Hamlin orange tree. And it was under distress. I hope it does okay once the rainy season starts in. I mean, there's loaded with oranges. So remember, orange season is not until like December, January, you know, so we'll see. Here, I've got more orange. This is, these oranges here are Valencias. These are Valencia oranges. And this tree is loaded as well. Look at the size of these already. Here. So, here's another one. It's got some oranges on it. Okay, so I've got here, this tree here is a Mamey sapote. It's just a little baby tree. There's another Mamey right there. Back here, this is a mulberry tree. So I've got that staked up. I hope that does well this summer so we can get some mulberries. They're delicious. Okay, here, black sapote. If you've never had black sapote, it's an awesome fruit. And I've got 4 of these here. Here's the second one. Here's the third one and the fourth one in the back there. And it's about the size of a tomato and delicious taste. It's called the chocolate pudding fruit. This here, I'm not even quite sure. I know it's a fruit tree. So we're gonna have to, I think it's possibly sapodilla, which is off the charts. It's one of the best fruits in Florida, period. Sapodilla. Now those, of course, are little babies. I got a little baby here. This is Mamey sapote again. Now here's a grafted Mamey sapote. So this one has got some nice size to it, and I got a little baby Mamey on here. Decent sized tree, and I'm hoping Mamey is off the charts. Here's another Mamey tree back here. That looks nice and healthy. And then here, another Mamey. No fruit on these yet. This here is an avocado tree. Over here, we got a mango tree. And this is the first time I've had mangoes on this tree, so it's a small tree, but it's got quite a few mangoes on it. A lot on the ground that are dropping off, too. This is like my sunflower bush here. Here's another mango tree. No fruit on this yet, no flowers this year. This is sapodilla. If you've never had sapodilla, you owe it to yourself to try it if you can ever get it. If you're ever in Florida and somebody has sapodilla, and it is ripe, make sure it's ripe. It has to be very soft, but it's so delicious. Oh man, it's a true delicacy of the fruits. Oh, wait a minute, I'm sorry. This is not sapodilla. This is sugar apple, or Atamoya, Cherimoya, sugar apple. There's a wide variety, and this is also sugar apple. Delicious fruits. Really nice. This mango tree over here is doing really well. Got some nice mangoes on it. So we'll see how these taste. This is sapodilla right here. That's a sapodilla tree. And the one in the back there, that's also sapodilla. Really, really nice fruit. Here's another sapodilla right there. So they haven't produced yet. So I look forward to that. This is another guanabana. It was under distress, but it's coming back nicely. You can see all the new shoots on it. And that's pretty much it for the backyard right now. Here's another mango tree tucked in back there. No fruit on that one. These are beautiful trees here. I put this one right behind the tennis court because these things get really big and they get beautiful flowers. That's called a Royal Point Sienna. Really nice trees. Okay, here's my pineapple patch. I've got a lot of pineapples here. I've got to work on this area. I've got to weed it and get the mulch down pretty soon because when summertime comes, it's going to get worse if I don't do it now. So I've got to do that. But look at all these pineapples that are coming up here. I mean, these things are so sweet and so delicious. Really nice. So, you know, it's amazing how many I've got here. And if you've never grown your own pineapple, wow. You can almost eat the core. They're so tender and sweet. Okay, this is a moringa tree right here in front of me. Moringa can be eaten. It's a nice little tender green. You can put it in salads. You know, they have a lot of health benefits. Okay, I'm walking towards the front of the yard to show you. This is still in the back. Here's a Valencia orange tree that's got some oranges on it. And like I say, these won't be ready now until next December, January, February, somewhere in there. Here I got another mango tree. A lot of mangoes on this tree. We'll see, you know, how sweet they are. We had them one year. They weren't, you know, they're not top notch, not like the champagne, the ones that are over there. I mean, these mangoes are super sweet. They're not real fibrous. The one behind there with the darker leaves, that's a Nam Duck mango. Got another little herb garden over here. I got some scallions, some basil, some thyme, basil. I got some lettuces, but I think the soil that I planted here was not the great. It was topsoil. Okay, coming to the front of the yard here. This is sugarcane here, which you can, you know, cut open with a knife and chew it like a beaver. It's delicious. I have a juicer, a Green Star juicer. I may try someday to juice some of that. This is a lychee tree. And I've got one lychee on this tree. Here it is. So I'm hoping next year that it really produces. I'm going to fertilize it and we'll see what we get. Okay, walking out over here, I've got 2 mango trees in the front. My goal is to put more trees in the front here. So, we'll see. So the size of these mangoes, wow, the size to them. And they're starting to get some nice color too. Look at the size of this. I mean, these things are amazing. It's got some nice mangoes on it. So we'll see what these taste like. I don't even know some of the varieties that I have here, but we'll see what they taste like, and maybe I can get a mango expert to come over here and let me know sometime. So that's it for today. Everything's going well. Fruit's great. Orange juice is good. Watermelons are good. Feeling good. So you guys have a great one. Any questions or comments, please post those below. And give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. To your health success. Take care.